So today we're going to continue with our part 3 of pen testing. So today we're going to attack this machine. This machine is it's a Windows machine. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna say start machine. For us to get the IP address of the machine so that we can start the target. Okay, I'm opening a new terminal here. Okay, so while it's busy trying to connect to the machine, let's just have a look at task 1. Says what does the 3-letter acronym SMP stands for. So it stands for server message block. Try to find out what's the functions of it. What's the purpose for it? What is the machines for SMP? To find out more information on what is the purpose for it, what it does on the network. So server message block is a network communication protocol used for providing shared access to files, printers, serial ports between devices on a network. It works on client-server model where a client sends a request to a server to perform actions on remote sources. Okay, core functions of assembly is file sharing. Lets users read and write create updates file on a remote server or NAS as if they were stored locally. Yeah, this is a critical application information. Let's find out if our IP. Okay, there is our IP. Okay. Okay, let's scan the system. Paste the IP there. Sorry. Discover 3 ports, guys. There's many ports here. 445, 135, and 139. So there's 3 open ports here, as you can see. Sorry, as you can see here, 3 open ports. Means there'll be many ways to get into the system. If there's so much ports, means we have many options to attack the system. Just taking down. Just want to find out if maybe we can see this SMP stand, the acronym SMP on this IP here. It is taking long. This is our first task, guys. As you can remember, SMP server message block is a network communication protocol used for providing access to files. It means you can access files, printers, and serial ports between devices on a network. Okay, it's done now. Message signing enable but not required. Okay, here's the information we're looking for here. Okay, so it's Windows RPC. Let's find out what is this stand for. RPC. Sorry guys, let me copy it again and paste it here and find out what is it all about in Windows Network Microsoft Remote Procedure Call. RPC Remote Procedure Call does not use SMP for transfer, but instead uses SMP named pipes as reliable transport layer known as protocol sequence. SMP provides the authenticated connection channel and sessions management, while RPC functions run on top of it to handle remote management, service creation, and system administration across the network. How RPC uses SMP named pipes. Transport machine RPC message are encapsulated inside SMP write read operations directed at the hidden IPC. Okay. Okay, so that you know that SMP stands for server message block. Let's go to test 2 now. What port does SMP use to operate at? Operate at 445. 445, guys. Usually, if you see this name, it's the same as another name for it is that SMP, guys. Let me find out. Microsoft DS. I think DS stands for Directory System. In computer connected, Microsoft DS stands for Microsoft Directory Services. Okay. Microsoft Directory Services. It runs TCP and UDP port 445, enables direct server message block, SMP file printer sharing without needing the older NetBIOS layer. Okay, so we know SMP runs at port 445. So let's go depot test 3. What is the service name for port 445 that came up in our Nmap scan? The service name is this one, Microsoft Directory Services. Microsoft Directory Services. This one here. Directory Services. Okay. And then let's go to task 4. What is the flag or switch that we can use with SMP client utility to list the available SMP shares on directory? Okay, let's try that. First of all, we must use SMP client and then the IP address. Okay. Okay, let's get going, guys. Let's see. go to super user. So SMP client. So SMP client, and then the list, then the IP is 10.129.69.49. That's right. Says connection timed out. Maybe I'm connecting wrong. Just how. Okay, list host. Get the list of shares available. AP message upload. Okay, users go down, add username. Don't know why it doesn't want to connect. Let's try it again. Can we try without the SMP clients, without the sorry guys, I want to put the IP 169.49. Message enable not required. But the only thing I want to do now is to list the directories. I think it did work now. Admin, share name admin, shares. So let's go back to our task. What it says, how many shares are in the directory, and the dancing. I think this is the username. Okay, 69 49 backslash dancing. Work shares. Says name not found. Okay, let's connect this way. Is this the right IP address? Let me check. Yeah, it is 10.169.49. No work group available. Let's go back to our task. Okay, this says how many shares are there on the dancing. So there's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then let's go to task 6. Okay, what is the name of the share we are able to access in the end with a blank password? So the answer is work share. Okay, let's check how to connect to to a share directory. Gonna go backwards and ask for help. Say dash help. Sorry. User, I'm gonna say domain, then username. Okay. I want to connect now. It's this one. It doesn't work. Let's see, /. Okay, let's do it the weight on it. Okay, use and then say user. Still doesn't want to connect, guys. Maybe it's here. I'm gonna try to fix this. No, it doesn't. Let's go back and ask for help. So now I want to connect to the user share. Domain, username, password. Doesn't want to connect, guys. This user. Okay, let's list them again. I want to connect to this one. The user. Picture. Still doesn't want to work. We have a problem now, guys. Nine 69. Password none. Check. No, guys, there's a problem. It's a big problem, but we'll find a way. There's always a way. Let's go back again. Again. Mustn't forget what you have done on those other tasks. Access in the with the blank password. Work shares. But now we can't access it. Domain username, password. What's the name of the user again? Dancing. Doesn't matter, gosh. Nope. I don't know what's the problem now. I want to connect to the work shares, yeah. Okay, work shares. doesn't want to work, guys. Don't know what's the problem. Like for real. Service. Only problem is service. Dancing workshops with this. Okay, let's try to list them again. So it's giving us problem. Big problem. Let's go back to our task again. I think we're doing something wrong. Sure. How do we connect? see. Not enough. Sorry. I think I'm making a stupid mistake here. Let me try it again. I think I must use double slashes. Where is it? Okay, there you got it. So I must use double forward slash. Okay. Took us time though. But the aim is not to give up. So you must try and try. That's how life is. What is the command we can use within assembly to download the files? Fine. Okay, we use get. Let's first download this one. Get in. It's a director. Okay. This file is a directory. Let me try this one. It means I must first go inside and see the and this one you can get, I'm sure. Okay, we got it. Let's see. James. Let me get the flag. Okay, sorry, I made a mistake here. Okay, we got it. Then you can exit. Flag.txt. just say cat flag text here. Okay, we got it, guys. So we'll finish with this task here. Yeah, it wasn't easy, but at the end of the day we did manage to complete it. So thank you guys, we'll see you in the next video, which will be part 4. Alright, thanks guys, bye.